Sterling, and now I get separate respect. Before I be not respect you. Before I dey see you like mumu. But now,
It good.
tell me about this film.
Well, this film I shoot on during the election. We published it on the day of the presidential election.
Okay.
Because I just realized, everybody just is so partisan about the whole election.
Okay,
APC,
if not be APC, na PDP, COA, all these
and
things.
nobody dey look say who be the candidates for the party where they put my vote.
Okay, no wonder the guy face one umbrella rain come beat
Yes,
am.
he carry broom.
Enough is stay. Then he come drop her, come they gather one broom.
We
come
can't
dey
scatter
sweep.
again. So at the end of the day, the idea is that, according to the words in the movie, solace cannot be found under the umbrella.
Me and Easy be they argue now. That bust with that guy bust that glass.
Well, now he bust,
He bust her
He
ring.
bust am first time. I say, man, punch am second time. So as he punch am, now the mirror enter your hand.
So that blood na true blood.
I just asked the guy, I say, if he continue to the shoot, he say yes. I say, thank you. So,
Hey, my friend, you go pay for my blood. That is blood money. You pay for the blood.
And all those blood, they real blood.
I mean, so all that pain where they see now.
All those shaking when they shake na the pain.
Meanwhile, the guy not be actor.
Are you?
Na lie.
No. See, you know why I believe Sterling. You know why I believe Sterling. I know the guy here and
Now the
everything.
guy
I
make
gotta
me
say,
pick am.
I gotta say maybe now he go make him pay this guy. And the guy do him.
The guy done well. So the truth is, you don't need any fantastic person they call actor. If you see person who fits, that's
Your
why
your
if I see
story.
someone who fits
You
the
see,
profile.
you see, now be one thing why they respect for the new producers, film producers, person like Stanley, where they crop up now. We get new producers we get brain.
Their
Now,
head
for example, they know what they look for. Now, for example, this movie, $1 Million Arm, $1 Million Arm, and then Slumdog Millionaire. No, not even Slumdog Millionaire. This guy, that film where the guy they on top water, then now with Tiger.
Pi.
Life
Life
of
of
Pi.
Pi. Now, how they take choose that guy? Not be the guy go for the audition. Now, in brother,
There you go.
now he go for the audition. Now in cousin. He follow him cousin. He just like say, my guy, it's coming more go. Now he go for the audition. Now he just dey on it. Now they say no. Who then they look for? He
Resemble
resemble
this
this guy. Who then they look for? He resemble that guy never act pain before for in life. They say who would they look for? He resemble this guy. That's why they call the guy. Groom the guy.
Just to get what they want.
Just to get and watch Life of Pi now.
Yeah, it is.
No,
It's
the thing dope.
The
The
truth
thing
is,
dope.
there was someone there. The actor was not trying to act; he was being himself. You see, that's the thing. So I think this concept, the person where I kind of grab him from Mel Gibson, So Mel Gibson go, if you want to shoot him, like when he did Passion of the Christ,
Yes.
Hollywood frustrated him with actors and all that. So he now shot the next movie. That was Apocalyptus, right?
Yeah.
So what he did, the guy go, if like say he want to shoot film about area boys for Oshodi now. Can't go Oshodi, go collect the area boys.
Gone.
Nobody if you do area boy, pass area boy.
Nobody
now.
fit do
I
that.
understand.
It dey shock me why. I'm sorry, Nollywood more than no vex, so I be part of una. But the thing be say, I am tired of this. If not be Genevieve,
The norm.
if not be Inedo, if not be this person, no. Yes, they can act, but trust me, you don't go theater arts department go see people where they act fire.
It be like stupid movie.
Oh, thank you.
When I want to shoot stupid movie.
It be like you see what for stupid movie.
I just know, as I dey watch it just now, you don't see the way I dey laugh.
My guy, we just sit down and say, see what you go happen. The other guy, two of the guys was Kelechi Udegbe, an actor, Gregory Jeff, an actor. Femi Akeredolu, my guy from Uniben.
Yes.
He was in graphics, I was in painting.
Can you imagine?
This guy just now we did that retrospect. Now my guy from Uniben too. He's
see?
also, I think he's a painter too.
Okay.
So Femi Akeredolu, they join, they do theater stuff for school that day. I don't say he good. And the guy, if he did lousy, if he want lousy, so I need that kind of lousy character, so I call him. Then the other guy, Daniel O. David, where do a boost.
You do a bruise.
That one I just see the guy feels stupid when he wants stupid so easily. So I call the guy, say, come. So I come say, you know what happen to give this thing one kind of bite. The guys where they try get you now, make them not be normal guys, make them be dwarf. Now we begin to enter. We know say they us born, they are the house for. We go 2 weeks. Now those 2 weeks they not go there.
Okay, for that too.
Now those 2 weeks are not see dwarf. Where the dwarf enter? Where the dwarf enter? So now when I call a check online, it's okay. Maybe, suppose get association. I call the Dwarf Association of Nigeria. They don't get a website. So I can't see one article where one guy for Punch, right? He interviews on dwarf. So I take the guy name, come go search him for Facebook. The guy did there, I call them as friends, send and say, I see Isaac, and they try look for dwarfs. And he give me Christiana number.
Yeah.
That was it. I searched 2 weeks to get dwarfs.
Wow.
2 weeks.
And see, and then kill him.
No, come on now. You know the thing
Then
is,
do the work fine.
see, these guys, in fact, watch out for the next thing what I go do with them. This one don't tell. We just want religion now, but it don't tell small.
Now, talking about that one, now, how you go take describe movie making for other countries compared to our own for Nigeria here?
Movie making for other countries. Okay, let's say, for instance, Hollywood. They have high budget.
Okay.
They have facilities and all that. They get studio. Hollywood now one big studio.
That high budget way
Exactly.
is very, very
That's
key.
Okay,
Key,
say
very
for
key,
instance now, I want to shoot movie and I need studio setting. Normally, if now Hollywood, they already get this studio
You already
setting.
get studio setting.
But this one, you get to the creator and everything from scratch. So you about say you get some set with the for 1962. But people see and shoot 2015 because those things just did there.
And
So
they go make you think say na 1962.
exactly. So the things they reduce the stress. You just enter one big place where you see everything about filmmakers. If you want to do them, it can happen
there.
here. Nobody don't do that kind of thing here. So instead, what we get in a warehouse where we go shoot music video.
Like film. Thank you.
Warehouse to shoot music
Go
video.
come,
That is
go
not,
Thank
not
you.
the film.
And we not get because I noticed for Hollywood that apart from Hollywood, inside Croatia, the
Yeah.
places where they it be like this thing where people they watch. What be this thing where they create people now for
Game of Thrones.
Game of Thrones.
Game of Thrones, yeah.
You know how many countries that they shoot Game of Thrones? Not one country.
Yes,
they
now.
travel.
Yeah. It be like these guys where they shoot Lord of the Rings.
Yeah.
Peter Jackson and the rest of them. Now New Zealand, you know, all
Different.
those areas. Meanwhile, now what they do say because they don't issue many films there. When they create sets, the government they tell us say this is the way you create live and not come out.
Thank you.
Because
You
this one
understand?
they dismantle now, so it don't become tourist
It
attraction.
don't become tourist attraction for them.
You get what I mean? So all of a sudden now, New Zealand is like the new destination for filmmaking. If you want to shoot like epics and all that, because they don't sell out.
This Game of Thrones, why they tell you, I watch for on top YouTube about
Yeah.
Game of Thrones, the making of Game of Thrones for this their new season where they do.
Yeah.
I say now then God bring 4 or 3 new directors.
Yeah.
With the very madly good. One they shoot for
Exactly.
Spain. One they shoot for this same New
Yeah.
Zealand we talk.
Yeah.
One they shoot for 4 different countries, not 3 different countries
Yeah.
at the same time.
I think those guys, they grab that thing from the guys who do Lord of the Rings and Hobbit. Because especially Hobbit. Hobbit, what they did, they had 2 units. So like first unit director. Now that guy where they do all those creatures,
Yeah,
Gollum and all that,
Gollum,
and the circus and all that. So here Peter Jackson don't bone. So now Peter Jackson don't trust her. So when they shoot film, they make a second unit director. So you know, say you don't understand his style of filmmaking.
He
so
know everything.
He go leave the Gollum guy say, you know what, carry this crew, second unit, shoot so and so scenes.
Without him
Why
not even
in
be
the-
there.
You know,
Without
they don't
him
need
not
to
be
do
there.
there. So sometimes I saw the making, sometimes they enter helicopter, fly, go another place, they shoot, while them there, they shoot this place. Meanwhile, the thing what amazed me past be say, sometimes they want to shoot one scene where be say, if you see the intricate details for the set, it even tight past it. And they'll tell you, say, oh, they'll come reach there like today, this evening.
Yeah.
Ordinary space. They say, okay, will it be ready by tomorrow evening? Say, oh, definitely. 5 p.m. to be ready. If I go swear say it's not possible, waiting you go see by tomorrow they there. But the guys, you see, for Nigeria, everybody want to like the job where they wear suits, you know. The guys where they do those, the craftsmen,
You
all
see-
those carpenters.
you see,
If you see the work,
You see,
all those specialties.
He get one scripted person said give me. I just remember him now as I see this this one we just watched
Yeah,
now.
retrospect.
I remember him. I don't know if I talk him now. Maybe another person will go thief the idea.
Not
now.
talking. You'll
But-
see you.
but I know say na only you. No, person said that to me make I do am.
Okay.
That time I want to do am with Lagos State government, but I just drop the script. The script is there. I think give you the script. If you hear the idea, the idea about a hawker, person with the
Where they sell
when they
stuff.
sell something, child rape dey
Yeah,
inside,
yeah,
everything. But
yeah.
now
One character.
just one character. If
Tim
you
says-
see, it be like this one, the girl just carry rain dey fall.
Yeah.
You don't start off.
Hey, I don't start.
You don't tell the story, me, so. You don't tell the story. Don't tell the story, so.
You don't know.
Anyway, we'll watch another small clips from Stanley, one of his movies. When we come back, we'll continue with plenty questions there, and Stanley get plenty things to talk about media. But anyway, before that clip, if I more not show another clip again, more no.
Even the ones who don't watch them, my head
Even
don't,
though I
my head
don't
don't
watch it,
sweat.
my head don't. But you know what? I want to tell you this thing, Stanley, before Okada Waka come out, what will be the other projects where they work on right now?
Okay, Stupid Movie now they come out next.
Okay.
You know, but at the same time, October 31st, you get one horror film we'll shoot.
Horror film.
Yeah, they call it Mians. You know what Mians mean?
Bands.
I don't know.
Okay, you know I don't got.
Yeah,
you
They do. If you see that, yeah. If you see the video, the preview.
Yes, actually, that movie.
You don't get preview.
Yeah, it did.
Get now.
We
I don't feel
did.
like this.
Actually, yeah. You know, we shot that movie in 2013. We already don't finish since early 2014. I just hold on. Because as they watch, they tell you, say, oh, horror film, no, they do well for cinema and all that. So me, they try check the whole thing. I just realize, man, no need to listen to it. Say whether this
Do
is
what you want
just put
to.
your movie there.
Put your movie there.
Now, what I did this year, I just begin put them out. It don't win like 2 awards for US.
Wow. Generally, how many awards you don't win for movies?
Star
I don't
Boy.
say you don't win plenty
Boy,
awards.
you don't
Because I don't go like give you. Even if I mean they give award, when I see that one, what that madman do,
That guy be mad, man.
okay. If that madman, what that madman do, I
guy-
want straight.
But that guy
Because you
try.
know, it be like stage play. What do they call that thing? Satire.
Yeah, that's it. Most of those things are.
You understand?
That guy try.
The guy try. You dey see
He
him.
didn't even say anything, no.
Yeah, he didn't
He just
say
the walk.
And
The
the
same
one-
thing with Verdict.
And the verdict
Jenna
is
yeah, she
with
didn't say
Zainab
anything.
She
Balogun.
didn't say a
No.
word.
If in case you want to watch some movies of Stanley, for example, go on top YouTube. You get what they call the verdict. If you type verdict space Stanley, you go see him there. Now 10 minutes clip. And this one why they tell you so in fact it is scatter people's head. Anyway, for us to come out, those who want to follow you, those who want to watch your materials, how they go take follow you for social media?
Well, I have a website, stanleyhikwari.com.
Stanley Ikware.
Ohikwari.
Ohikwari.
My name and surname.
Okay,
Ohikwari.
StanleyOhikware.com.
Yeah, then I'm on Twitter at Stanley Director.
At Stanley Director. Instagram, go.
Instagram, Stanley Hikwari.
Stanley Ohikware. I beg, I'm gonna follow Stanley. And of course, when it comes to AMVCA, he don't win AMVCA. I see and then now, AMVCA cinematography, best cinematography. This guy is a very gantious somebody when it comes to movies. Anyway, double twilight all of fun. When they say sit down, watch us. Sorry, say we'll not take on our phone calls. We'll just want to make sure
Time
say
not
we
even
hear.
reach, time
Time
not
not even reach because he still get plenty things where he get to talk. We just dey look at like this. This guy na giant. Forget saying he's small like this.
I small. let me say you minute.
Anyway, till tomorrow. Now, good night.
If you know, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.